Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses.com, that is SOUREVSIRCLASSES.com, or WhatsApp us or call us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9874822756 or 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses, that is SOUREVSIRCLASSES@gmail.com. So today we will be solving some BCA questions. So let's move on. So we have question number 21 in hand, and this is a code snippet this is in C. So this is in C language, and we have for I equals to 3 to I less than 15 and I increases by, that is I plus equals to 3 means I increases by 3 after each iteration. And then we have a printf statement that says printf %d comma I with a terminating semicolon, and we need to find the result of this code snippet. So this part means that I starts from, so this part means that I is greater than equals to 3. This part means that I should always be less than 15. So that is, this for loop will cease to exist or will stop when I reaches 15. That is, till the time I is less than 15, for loop will run. And this part means that I increases by 3. So that is I increases by, here it increases by 3. So now the thing to note here is that this printf statement is actually outside the for loop. So the result will be something like, in step 1, that is in iteration 1, that is in iteration 1, the value of I equals to 3, and since I is less than 15, because it is 3 now, so this for loop goes to the next iteration, and because it doesn't have any command in brackets, so since there is no command in brackets, it immediately goes to the next iteration. And now after iteration 2, I equals to 6, after iteration 3, I equals to 9, and all of these are less than 15. I equals to 12 at iteration 4, and then I increases by 3 again and it becomes 15. So when it comes to iteration 5, the value of I equals to 15, and we needed, here it was given that I should be less than 15. So at this part the for loop doesn't run and it breaks out of the for loop. So the value of I is now 15 and the for loop has already stopped. So it comes to the next line of code. So it comes here and it executes this printf statement, and this printf statement, this %d means that we have to put the value of I here, and %d means integer value. So that these are the syntax. So this is the syntax of print statement in C language, and we have to know that. So here the printf statement prints 15 and then ends. So this program ends after that. So this is the result of the printf statement. Hence the answer will be 15. So the answer is 15.